Yeah, started. So right, what do we just let it play like that? Hi guys, what's up? Hello. Hi. Hey. Hi from Karnataka. Hi guys. That is good. Ooh, better. Hi guys. 25 minutes late कौन आता है? Sorry. I forgot you guys are keeping track of time. Next time से ज़्यादा punctual हो जाऊँगा. Anyways, we have a
मेरी वजह से लेट आया ये.
surprise visitor. What's up guys?
Hi guys. Hello.
We have a
How's everything going on?
Look at that. Looking handsome.
That's probably for you, brother.
For you.
He's doing great in Splitsvilla. Who were you shouting at last time?
Where?
मैंने कुछ देखा था कि आप चिल्ला रहे हो.
Oh yeah. Shouting at Himanshu. Fun. That was fun actually. Yeah.
How was that? It was
Very
fun
good.
shouting? No, you look like a baller doing that.
I look like a baller.
That
doing
fact should come out more often.
उस time पे baller नहीं लगा, you know. Brothers together. Look at that. People are already. Dude, you don't feel like a baller at that point of time, obviously.
Why not? After that, when you see it, you feel like a baller.
नहीं यार.
हाँ.
देखने के बाद अच्छा लगा. नहीं. देखने के बाद तो बहुत मजा आया, but you want me to keep a little back? I think then let us
No, that's
down.
perfect. Okay, then we can't see what they're saying.
Wait.
We'll have to leave that also.
अरे wait one second. हाँ. चलेगा. You better say. हाँ. Raj saying. It's okay. OCD is fine.
Okay. Okay, Jashwant knows Kannada. Do you also know Kannada? Kannada ಗೊತ್ತಾ ನಿಮಗೆ?
ನನಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್.
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಕನ್ನಡ.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿಗ್ ಬಾಸ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಜಾಯಿಗ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇವಾಗ ಬಿಗ್ ಬಾಸ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ನಾನು.
ಯಾಕೆ?
ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ರಿಯಾಲಿಟಿ ಶೋ ಸಾಕು ನನಗೆ.
ಓಕೆ. ಓಕೆ.
ಬೇಡ ನನಗೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ.
ರೈಟ್.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಆಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ.
ಓಕೆ. ಮೇಕ್ ಸೆನ್ಸ್.
You got a call? Oh, busy boy.
Yeah. Talk, please. Enjoy.
What's up, people? Anyways, he's gone on his call. He's working. Any spoilers? No. When the show is, I mean, you all have seen the show for so long, so I'm guessing at some point in time it has to end, right? Wow, 2 favorites in 1 frame. Yeah, he's gone by the way, guys. He'll come back. Nice question. ये question ना जसवंत जब था तब पूछना चाहिए था. They're asking me very nice questions about what Jashwant has been up to.
मंच को जो सैवेज दिया था भाई साहब. I should read all of this out loud.
Oh, Ron ने जो डोम सेशन में हिमांशु को जो सैवेज दिया था भाई साहब. Thanks guys. Yes.
Ron is the green flag. Ron, okay guys, good question. Right? Since you talk about green flags, Ron, आप green flag हो?
क्या मैं green flag हूँ?
बताओ. पूछो इसको.
Sometimes yes, sometimes no yes.
ठीक है. आपको लगता है कि हर बार green flag
तुम्हें क्या लगता है green flag का मतलब क्या है? You are the one second. Let's get back to the conversation. You are the so-called green flag of your full season, okay? The man who took care of his girl, the prince charming, the knight in shining armor, the boy who could do no wrongs. Now you tell the audience. Tell them what it takes to be a green flag.
Guys, देखो कुछ लोग green flag है, कुछ लोग green flag नहीं है. अंदर से आता है वो बात. First of all, तो आप इतना fake नहीं कर सकते हो. पर हाँ, it takes some effort to be a green flag. देखो मैंने मांगा नहीं आप लोगों से, बस हो गया. मैं अच्छा इंसान था उस टाइम, तो आप लोगों ने green flag बना दिया. Great. लेकिन मैंने कभी मेरे मुंह से नहीं आया कि मैं ग्रीन फ्लैग हूँ.
लेकिन तुमने एक चीज आंसर नहीं किया. What does it take to be a green flag? Educate the audience.
Lot of patience, lot of energy, lot of thinking in terms of like 3 steps आगे.
And most primary thing would be a green flag is
प्यार भी होना चाहिए.
empathy, ladies and gentlemen, empathy. दूसरे लोगों के बारे में सोचना चाहिए. I think that's the most important thing. I think what makes you also a green flag is that, right? Because you cared about what your girl was thinking. It wasn't about you all the time. That's why they like you so much. Because you were the man who put his woman before yourself.
Yeah.
कुछ लोग कर पाते हैं, कुछ लोग नहीं कर पाते. It's Happens, guys. Can't do anything.
From the girl also, guys.
Splitsvilla isn't made for everyone, okay?
Oh. So it's not made for you?
Yeah, it was made for me. Made for people exactly like me.
Exactly.
Green flags.
No, it's very tough to be a green flag on a show, guys. Trust me. वो तो Jash, like if you dare, just kiss Ron now.
Fjord. Why?
क्यों भाई?
Why?
मुझे क्या मिलेगा? पहले ये बताओ.
तू क्या मिलेगा?
मैंने
Business है.
अरे मैं क्यों ही किस करूँ भाई? क्या क्या बोल रहे हो? Nice.
Big fan of you, Ron. You look so handsome. Hey, read the Ron comments, okay? What is this?
पढ़ना. तू भी देख रहा है? मैं सब पढ़ूँ क्या? मैं नरेटर बन जाऊँगा कोने में. मैं सब पढ़ूंगा.
You are the writer. अभी पढ़ ले मेरे लिए. हाँ बच्चा बोलो.
क्या
बोल रहे हैं लोग मेरे बारे में?
Kyomi 95 said Asmita will regret.
Yes,
Thoughts?
Asmita definitely regrets. Look at me. I'm most handsome.
Oof. Okay. Do you know Kannada?
हाँ, ನನಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
Check somebody's DM, actor Roy, and also ये जो one word to describe Himanshu. Khwab X edits.
देख किसने बोला?
You told me to. I'm doing it. I'm doing the job.
Himanshu, good boy.
Okay. You both look alike, यार. Somebody said गू जैसा मुंह तेरा.
Ouch,
तो
man.
बहुत कुछ.
एक लोग हैंडसम बुला रहे, आधे लोग बूम बुला रहे. मुझे तो
Oh, nice. Jash, आकृति और तुम्हारी वीडियो क्यों लगा ये स्नैप स्टोरी पे? Only because some other team is handling it और उन्होंने कोई नया डाला टीम में and he didn't know. Shut up, I swear. मारूंगा तुझे. सीरियस मैटर है ये. सीरियस मैटर है ये. तो मैंने बहुत सुना है उनको अभी अगली बार ऐसा कुछ नहीं होगा. वो पूरा गलती से हुआ था.
love.
देखो पहली बात ये है कि बंदा मुझे 2 महीने बाद मिल रहा है. उसको मैं जिंदगी के बारे में कुछ भी नहीं पता अभी तक. 2 महीने बाद मिल रहा है. मैं शुरू करूंगा. सुनो ना. मैं शुरू करता हूँ. मैं शुरू कर शुरू.
2 महीने से
2 महीने बाद मिला है मुझे.
क्योंकि
ठीक है? क्या क्योंकि? बस आपको बोलना है क्योंकि तो बोलो क्योंकि. मैं तो लॉकड इन था.
नहीं गाइस,
तो क्या किया आपने?
मैं बस बकचोदी कर रहा था.
फिर बाद में जब ऐसे कुछ हुआ था ऐसे साइड में ऐसे.
Unfortunately, Jaswant has been on his calls from the last half an hour for the same reason. On accident किसी ने उसकी टीम ने वीडियो डाल दिया स्नैपचैट पे और तब से ये बस ऐसे हो रहा है हमारे कैमरा जैसा.
I got so pissed off, but yeah, नहीं होगा अगली बार.
Wait, let's fix
हो
this.
गया.
I think it's because stability, bro. हो गया.
Somebody call you Rohan. His name is Ron.
I'm wrong, guys.
And Jashwant, lots of love, lots of love. Hi Divya,
Hi, Divya.
what's up? Thank you for replying Kannadiga. I support you so much. Thanks.
Who won in Xvilla? The Splitsvilla. He won Splitsvilla.
अरे X6 पूछ रहे हैं bro. Who wants in Switzerland X6?
I cleverly deleted the X6 card.
But who won? Any idea?
Yeah.
Who? Give us some spoilers. Go ahead.
Guys, the winner is going to happen soon. The announcement is going to happen soon. This is spoiler. We are also finding out about it now.
Okay, so you don't know who won.
No, but there.
आपको क्या लगता है? कौन जीता होगा?
2 corgis, consecutive years. Splitsvilla X6 winner, Ron Karepa. Splitsvilla X5 winner, Jashwant Bopala. Huh? Is it the time for Corgi boys to take over? Is it?
This guy's gone crazy.
He's cutting it.
He's gone crazy. He's like clips cutting. आधे आपका स्प्लिट्सविला के लोग ना आधे टाइम ऐसे ही खेला है कि हाँ ये बस बोल दो ना क्लिप्स काटेंगे.
Of course. ब्रो शो पे भी यही चलता था पता है बॉयज के बीच में. ये लोग डोम सेशन के बाद बाहर आने के बाद बोल रहे थे कि भाई तूने जो डायलॉग मारा ना उसका क्लिप कटेगा, उसका क्लिप कटेगा. हर चीज के लिए दे वो मोर वरीड अबाउट कि क्या वायरल होगा वीडियो में.
I know. दिखा भी.
Then
It's
later
not-
on I was also thinking I'm like okay अभी वायरल होने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा. फिर मैं भी सोचता था कि
क्या
ऐसा
सोचा
dialogue
आपने?
मारूं. फिर लेकिन
लेकिन
वो टाइम पे ना
Time पे
जब स्ट्रेस में होता है ना तो नहीं निकलता मुझे कुछ.
स्ट्रेस क्यों है? चल गए मैं प्यार का शो है इसलिए स्ट्रेस था.
No, Jashwant, not everyone plays nicely like you, okay? Huh?
भाई तूने अच्छा खेला है. Congratulations for 300k today. For this reason I met him. I called him up after 2 months. I was like, okay, मिल अभी. लेकिन 2 महीने से मिला नहीं है. ये सच बात है. But congratulations, brother. You have to treat your fans now.
Remember this thing, okay? I'll tell you something about this later.
Okay.
This one thing.
Okay.
There's some problem happening with most of our accounts, guys. If you notice, Goresh's account and all of those accounts were this one. I'll just tell it on live. In fact, why not? It's a better place to do that. So, if you guys saw Goresh, I think Akansha or some and Vishu's account got deactivated. And today I got this message from these same guys. I'll read out the name. Okay, you think I should read out the name?
Go for it.
Huh? The name goes by Team Corzin. It's verified account, and they sent me a message today morning saying with like a reel posted of them deleting and banning Goresh's account.
Oh shit.
See, now they're saying it here also. Soon out by Team Corzin. Guys, if my account gets banned, you know who has done it.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Okay, give them the cloud they want.
Scary, no? Look at that.
Very, very scary.
Yeah, bro.
Okay. Imagine now the live is going on, suddenly it's zoom.
It's a zoop. The account is gone.
Oh my god.
But it's terrifying. सुबह मैंने ये देखा था. मेरी भी फट गई, bro. I was like, अब मैं क्या करूँ? One part we want to tell Goresh, okay, like कि भाई इन्होंने ऐसे भेजा है. But then at the same time, I'm like, भाई मैं तो नहीं फंस जाऊँगा इसके अंदर, तो मैंने कुछ नहीं बोला उसके बारे में. But sorry, bro. I hope everything's fine with you.
Yeah.
मेरे को भी डर है कि ऐसे अकाउंट चला गया. And I appreciate you for telling the truth that Diksha hit first. Guys, I saw it, guys. Like,
Bro, that's insane.
See,
How can this happen on a show and everything be okay after that?
that's okay. That
That's
time,
crazy.
bro, it was bad. It was really bad. Like even I was also at that moment of time, I was so pissed off with Diksha about the same thing. यार ठीक है, सीक्रेट चैलेंज मेरे को भी दिया था, है ना? लेकिन और मुझे ज़्यादा ज़रूरत थी स्प्लिट कॉइन्स की at that point of time, क्योंकि मैं शो में इतना I was not going high. I needed the split coins to keep myself alive. No. So I needed to win the challenge more than anyone else. Stakes were higher for me. वरना मैं निकल जाता शो से. फिर भी मैंने अपना सीक्रेट चैलेंज में ऐसे सोचा था कि मेरा कनेक्शन को अगर छोड़ना पहुंचे. So I stopped it then and there. I saw her cry and I was like, okay, I can't do this. Okay. Then the next thing you know, उसी शाम को मुझे पता चलता है कि सुबह जो इतनी बड़ी झगड़ा हो गई थी, that Diksha was the one who started it only because of a secret challenge.
I know.
I was fine with everything until the fact that I realized कि
You can't take to such an
hitting each
extent.
other just to
Challenge के लिए नहीं. देखो एक हद तक चैलेंज था. उसके बाद everything was personal and very personal. वरना चैलेंज के लिए कोई भी ऐसे नहीं करता है.
Yeah,
तो लॉजिकल है.
Yeah.
Dude, how that really handled that whole shit?
I have no idea.
Akansha, right?
Akansha. Akansha got hurt a lot during that point of time. I just felt bad for her. She was crying.
Takes mad guts to.
She was crying so
Yeah.
much. Which didn't. But I don't know. अभी ये सब believe it or not, actually what is happening now? Is one more thing. Mostly interviews and ये सब हम कर रहे हैं ना. उसकी वजह से now I'm not in touch with most of the contestants from Split.
Right, it happens.
But I want to ask you this question. Okay, since you're sitting here, how do you deal with this? अभी मैंने 4-5 इंटरव्यूज किया. वहाँ पे उन्होंने पूछा आकांक्षा के बारे में. ठीक है. मेरे को जितना लगा मैंने बोला था. But when you keep asking the same question again and again, what happens? More and more information keeps coming out. I feel like that sort of ruins the relationship between two people.
Starting से ही बोले सारे secrets जो है.
It's not secrets, bro. It's all I'm saying is like, I feel like somewhere most of the actual organic relationships that we have between each other as content creators and influencers also gets ruined when we come into the limelight. क्योंकि कभी सोचा है कि देखो जब तुम अकेले बैठते हो ना कि इंटरव्यूअर के साथ एंड व्हेन यू आर द इंटरव्यूवी एंड व्हेन दैट काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चन इज पुट ऑन यू एट दैट मोमेंट ऑफ टाइम यू डोंट थिंक एंड कंसीडर कि बाकी लोग क्या सोचेंगे. दैट टाइम यू जस्ट वांट टू से व्हाट्स ऑन योर माइंड, राइट? बट देन लेटर ऑन द रिपरकशंस ऑफ इट इज चीजें शायद अच्छी हो सकती है या बुरी हो सकती है.
Okay, but it's showbiz. It's part of showbiz. It's normal show.
Part of showbiz.
Yeah,
Unfortunately. Welcome to reality show.
Right, reality shows.
You don't have any nice friends. Sometimes you have them. You have to keep them very close. Ask Jashwant about it.
मैं बस you said आज जशो is paused. Acting कर रहा था. But yeah, no dude. It depends. देखो तुरंत शायद नहीं हो सकता लेकिन एक साल बाद जब चीज़ें die down होता है, move ahead in life, फिर I think it's possible. It's possible.
Everything is possible.
Yeah. Right. कुछ बोलना है fans को 300K.
Oh yeah.
Let's say something to them.
Thank you so much for the 300K guys.
It's your moment. Sorry.
No, sit here. Tell that. Sit no. It's okay. I need a little bit. Say moral support. You gotta be a homie. Oh fuck. Here it comes. Okay, now we do. Okay. I'm gonna take a little bit backstory since we're doing this as a live rather than some short little story. Both of us have worked very hard to come where we are today, right? Somewhere deep down, वी कम फ्रॉम फैमिलीज जहाँ पे ज़्यादा एजुकेशन की परवाह दे देते हैं, ज़्यादा हमारे लिए गोल्स और पैशन ऐसे होते हैं कि जॉब करो, मास्टर्स करो, जॉब करो, PhD करो, देन यू गेट मैरिड, गेट सेटल. दिस इज हाउ आवर लाइफ इज सॉर्ट ऑफ डिफाइंड, एंड मोस्टली इन द साउथ इट इज prioritized over education is prioritized over anything else. So being a creative person and being an artistic person in itself makes us the black sheep in the family. So all I'm saying is, one, it took a lot of strength and a lot of guts for, I feel, both of us to get to where we are. And बहुत मेहनत कर रहे हैं हम, बहुत मेहनत करते आ रहे हैं हम. So I'm just glad that you guys could recognize the same effort that we've been putting in. That's it.
Well said, well said.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations.
You all are the sweetest.
Please try to post more videos.
Yes, and videos are
I feel like he's one of the least active splits villains of this season.
guys, personality
On
है
social
मेरी,
media.
personality है मेरी.
Social media. But हाँ,
I need
कर
okay.
यार सब इतने सारे लोग आए हैं आपको देखने के लिए.
Since you're on live, I'll put it out. I need a team, guys. Help me find a team. If you all can like somehow assemble a team of people who help me shoot videos and edit videos, then nothing like it. Why not? Take them. It's an open thing for everyone. Yeah? Let's see who will see this, who will not see this. I might get lucky also. But apart from that, yes guys, I have videos getting lined up. मैं edit कर रहा हूँ. I'm trying to I'm going to start posting from tomorrow, in fact, and a little more content about me, my personal life, what I'm doing, and everything else. Apart from that, see you all. Thank you so much for watching. कुछ और है पूछने के लिए guys? रॉन आर्मी ग्रुप चैट में आ जाऊंगा. मैं आता रहता हूँ guys. मैं सब मैसेजेस देखता रहता हूँ. ऐसे नहीं कि नहीं देखता हूँ. दोनों की कनेक्शन ए से थी. या ब्रो, वी हैव अ थिंग फॉर एज. व्हाट टू डू?
चलो guys, love you, take care. I will leave.
और इसी बात पे, कनेक्शंस की बात पे, आज हम समाप्त कर रहे हैं हमारी आज की एपिसोड रॉन और जसवंत के साथ. सो थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग एंड लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब. बाय गाइज.